podcast. Firstly, my name remains Engineer John. I'll be taking you on a topic called contactor. You can see, what do you mean by contactor? Contactor is an electrical component that is used to, operates on higher currents. And contactor, when you look at the contactor, you'll be seen everywhere, but you don't know the function. It's different from relay. Relay and contactor has similar functions, but the only thing that differentiates between relay and contactor is that contactor operates on higher current, while relay operates on lower current. Let me show you the diagram of how the contactor really is. In contactor, we have features in it that makes it what open and close by itself with the help of what the contact, the help of the auxiliary contact and the coil. In contactor, we have the auxiliary contact. This auxiliary contact is another section inside this contactor that helps to switch. To now to energize the coil and dis-energize the coil. So once the coil is energized, that means there will be power that will flow from the L1 to from the L1, which is the incoming power, to the T1. And in all circuits, you can see that anything L1, L2, L3 from the upside is the source, while this side T1, T2, T3 is the output side. This is the input side and this is the output side. This side is the L1, L2, L3, and the T1, T2, T3. It represents the input power coming into the contactor, and this side represents the output power going out from the contactor as load. This output power can be connected to our induction motor. Understand? Can be connected to our electric motor that has 3 phases. But this is the output side. Now let me talk about the auxiliary contactor side. The auxiliary contactor side, this NC means normally closed, and why our NO means normally open. NC normally closed, while our NO normally open. What do you mean by normally closed and normally open? Normally closed, it means once you see this symbol that is here, this symbol represents that the power coming from here to here is flowing together. Now you can see it has been closed. That means when it says close, something is attached. It's attached together. So you should use your multimeter and then use your multimeter and check the continuity from this NC point to this NC point. You see your continuity will be what? To be reading, to be sounding, to be making sound. That means the NC point here is what? Is closed. While here you can see the symbol. There's a break here, and there's a joint here. That means NO means normally open. When something is normally open, it's open. It's not closed. So if it's open, the continuity from here, from this contact here to this side, is not what? Is not reading. If you use your multimeter to check the continuity will not flow. The only time the continuity will flow is when this guy, the contactor, is energized. And once it's energized, the continuity from the NO to the first NO point to the second NO we read together and we close together. So once this NO point is close together, this one will be automatic open because there will not be flow of current from this side again. Yes. So after this illustration, we are going to what? We are going to do the practical aspect. But firstly, let me take you on the theoretical aspect for you to mastermize what we're talking about here. And this side is the coil side. What do you mean by coil? This coil, this is the coil that X the contactor there's a magnetism here that X the contactor to energize and to dis-energize. When the power comes in to the coil it will energize. Or when the power goes out from the coil dis-energize. What did I mean by energize? Thank you. Energize means when the power has become the contactor to energize something close, something engage. It will engage, and once it is energized, once the coil is energized, this our source here, which is the L1, L2, L3. This is the input side. There will be flow of power from this input side to the output side. But once it is disenergized, the contactor is not energized, so there will not be flow of power from this side to this side. So contactor, the coil side tells A1 and A2. A1 and A2. In this particular side, there's no polarity. You can as well put your live wire, you can put our live wire on this A1 point, and we can also connect our neutral wire on A2. So if you connect your live wire on A1 and neutral on A2, the coil you are doing manual energizing. So the coil will automatically energize. So that means when the coil is energized, there will be flow of power. Understand? So there's no polarity. You can as well put your live wire here and neutral wire here, and as well opposite side you can put your live wire at A2 side and also put your neutral wire on A1 side. So this side is the coil side, and this is the contact. This is the contact side, the NO contact and the NC contact, and this our L1, L2. This is the power side. The contactor, we have the power side, the power section, the contact section. And why do what? The coil section. The power section, let me repeat myself again. The power section, you will see our L1, that means line 1, you can put your R, Y, B, the three phase, line 1, line 2, line 3. Why at the bottom side, which is the output side, you see what the same RYB. Okay, so the power side, is where our input will come and our output will go, and this is going to what our three-phase motor, electric motor. So the contact side, our next video I'll be teaching you on how you can do the control wiring. So from there you will understand this auxiliary contactor very well. So let me just explain briefly on it. This contact side again, our NO point sends signal. If the control wire has been reached to this side, and you press your start. When you press the start button, the power gets to this side first. So when it gets to this side, from the second side, which is the bottom side of the auxiliary contact, NO, we go to the A1, which is the light. We go to the A1 to energize the coil. So once it's energized the coil, this is what you're going to get. The contactor will be energized. And once the contactor is energized, there will be flow of power. So our NO point is what we call normally open, while our NC point is what we call normally closed. Now, don't forget, if we see this kind of sign, this symbol represents close, and while this symbol represents what? Open. So if this symbol is represents close, that means there's a power from this side. The power that get to this side is also reaching this side, which is linked together. But why this NO point, the power get to this side, and there's no power at this downside. So until you press your start button. When you press your start button, this NO point, there will be power that flows through this side. And once the power flows through, this our NC will be automatically open. And it is when you press your start, and this our NO will be linked together. And once it's linked together, if our two NO is linked together, that means automatically our coil will be energized. And once our coil is energized, our power from the input side and the output side will flow together. So thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Engineer Joy. Watch me on the next video. On the next video, we'll be doing the control wiring of all the circuits of the contactor, and how to do the wiring control of the contactor using our push button, start and stop, and the contactor. So I will teach you. You see it very well, and you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Please like and share our video, and follow me for more videos. Thank you. See you. God bless you. See you in the next class. Bye.